I will do a content about this for you to see. So this is what we were doing. So attractive. Okay, so the top is cheese. So you see how the result came. Yeah. Very simple. But this means I can't eat because I don't eat cheese, I don't eat egg. I don't eat. Mine is soup, rice, chicken, meat. I don't eat vegetables. So you see this recipe is very simple. If you are in the house, you can create it. It's a very lazy, nice recipe. Especially if you have a visitor, like breakfast. This square, it doesn't matter if it's breakfast, lunch, supper. Any time of the day you can eat this kind of recipe. If you have a cheese, you can, any kind of cheese you can add to this egg stew. It's very fantastic, very creative. Yeah, cooking, we have different ways of cooking. You can even get one ingredient you can use to create something. If you're a lover of food, you know different way of to create recipe. Yeah. So I was talking about if you're a new YouTuber. Now what is popularly on YouTube right now is silent streaming. Please, if you are doing silent streaming, the niche you are doing, if you are doing cooking, make sure you are showing food on the screen. If you are doing vlogging, use something. If you are doing food vlogging, crowd, what can you use? Unless your picture, your beautiful picture that you put on screen for people to watch. Restreaming. Restreaming, you can do a short video. Restreaming, you know, me, I love restreaming more than silent streaming, because silent streaming, people don't stay and watch for long. People just pass, then they go. Unless their eyes catch something beautiful, then they can stay and watch twice, then they leave. But restreaming, like eating like this, it's delaying, so people will try to stay and watch, like cutting fruits, making a short recipe to do your restreaming. People will stay, then you get more views, you get more subscribers. Remember, people who watch your live streaming, silent streaming, restreaming, these people normally they don't have time to visit your channel to watch your videos. The only time they want is to watch what you are doing on your screen, then they pass. They don't have time. Same like short videos. Short videos, you get views, you get subscribers, you get whatever you want there. But normally, a lot of people don't have time to watch your full videos. Simple. If you think I'm lying, you can do your research. People who subscribe when you are doing your restreaming, silent streaming, they don't watch full videos. Yeah. So it's good you grow your channel. Grow your channel. Immediately you get your 1,000 subscribers, please start be serious in creating content, serious content. Yeah. So you have to, break it down, waiting small. If you've got your 1,000 subscribers, try to start bringing serious content to your channel. Listen, if you have reached